Now to Washington, where the historic impeachment trial of President Trump is officially underway in the Senate. And the trial will kick into high gear on Tuesday as a critical confrontation takes shape over whether any witnesses will be called. And ABC's Serena Marshall is there with the latest.
The oaths are taken.
Do you solemnly swear?
The stage is set.
On the part of the House will be received and escorted to the well of the Senate.
As the historic impeachment trial of President Trump officially begins Tuesday, where the senators, for only the third time in American history, now officially jurors in a presidential impeachment trial, responsible for reviewing the evidence and considering the charges that President Trump abused his office and obstructed Congress. New allegations against President Trump have Democrats saying this bolsters their argument witnesses and evidence must be presented.
It was all about 2020 to make sure he had another 4 years. That was the way everybody viewed it.
Like the explosive allegations from Lev Parnas, the indicted associate of the president's personal attorney, Rudy Giuliani. He says the president knew all about the pressure campaign on Ukraine to investigate Joe Biden. And a new report from the nonpartisan government watchdog, which says the White House did break the law by withholding military aid to Ukraine, writing, "Faithful execution of the law does not permit the president to substitute his own policy priorities for those that Congress has enacted into law." The White House disagreeing with that conclusion. Republicans continue to say the president committed no crime. The president insists
it's a hoax. It's a hoax. Everybody knows that.
As the president's legal team is now being finalized, in addition to the White House lawyer Pat Cipollone and private counsel Jay Sekulow, the team also likely to include Alan Dershowitz and former special prosecutor in the Clinton impeachment, Ken Starr.